Welcome to BINH PHU Outdoor Furniture, a trusted manufacturer of high-quality outdoor wood furniture since 2002. Located in Binh Dinh, Vietnam, our factory covers 21,000 square meters and employs over 250 skilled workers, combining traditional craftsmanship with modern technology. At BINH PHU, we specialize in a wide range of outdoor furniture, including dining sets, benches, sofas, lounge chairs, and bistro sets, designed to elevate outdoor living spaces across the world. We use premium hardwoods such as acacia, eucalyptus, and teak, sourced from certified forests. Every piece of wood is kiln-dried and processed under strict moisture control to ensure durability, stability, and resistance to outdoor conditions. Our production process integrates automated cutting machines, CNC drilling systems, multi-stage sanding, and environmentally friendly spray painting, ensuring precision, smooth finish, and long-lasting quality. Cutting is carried out with automated machines, delivering clean, accurate dimensions for every component. Sorted and trimmed by type and size, each part is refined to match exact standards. Drilling is performed using CNC systems to ensure proper alignment and reliable structure. Assembly is handled by skilled workers who focus on stability, detail, and a smooth overall finish. Each connection is double-checked for alignment. In our painting area, we apply eco-friendly coatings in a clean, controlled space, protecting each product and enhancing its appearance. Multiple layers are applied for even coverage, ensuring lasting protection. Every item goes through multiple quality checks for size, structure, finish, and performance. Each inspection is carried out by trained staff, following a clear checklist to ensure full consistency. Once approved, we pack with care, using reinforced materials and secure wrapping to protect the product during international transport. With a capacity of 40 to 50 containers per month, BINH PHU supports clients worldwide with reliable production and stable supply. Trusted by retailers, importers, and designers alike, we take pride in delivering quality. Let BINH PHU be your reliable partner in outdoor furniture manufacturing. Built to last, designed for life.